Pričevanja ostarelega sukača plošč.
Ja, kako je to lepo, ko vidim punkse na partih.
After party. Termin za neukrotljiva ušesa in neustavljiva telesa.
Kakor vse jake stvari v lifeu, se mora tudi letošnja sezona oddaje After Party končati. Ampak ne, preden vam serviramo še zadnji sladkiš.
Na Radio Študent letavajo celski set, Bojničku, Metropolis City B. Še posledič pred letnim oddihom se vklopite v torek, standardih nekaj čez 10 in se naužite poletne doze zumarske melanholije.
Kot vedno vam pretočimo tudi sliko. Ne pozabite se vklopiti.
Lepo pozdravljeni, dobrodošli na frekvenco 89,3 MHz. Lahko nas spremljate na našem YouTube kanalu in seveda na Facebook profilu. Danes smo v oddaji After Party in gostimo CTB. Čau, dečki.
Hey, what's up?
Kaj je CTB?
CTB pomeni like Cottage Boys.
Sound cool.
Sound cool.
Pač like,
Mainly.
v bistvu smo se samo odločili za ta ime, zaradi tega, ker smo rabili like something to call ourselves.
Pa Pa na kaj že smo
In
snimali.
like tisto like na začetku, ko smo like začeli delati shit, smo delali shit na Simonovi
Mojega dedija koča.
Yeah.
Dober placa, pač začetek, jaz.
In zato pač Cottage Boys, to je to.
Ja.
Kind of.
Prej smo se malo pogovarjali, iz kje točno ste. Vsi ste nekako iz okolice Celja, pa en od vas je tudi iz Celja. Če bi mogoče se predstavili vsak posamezno in povedali, kako ste se nekako našli na tem območju Celja.
Ja, for sure. Povej.
Ja, zdravo, jaz sem Tilen, iz Pariža, drugač, to je Braslovče, to je nekje 15
Shout out
minut.
Braslovče, love
Shout out
Braslovče. Jaz
Braslovče.
imam babico iz Braslovče. I swear.
Sam se nismo tako spoznali. No, tako da. Ja, ne vem, nekako, vse cele je dokaj malo, no. Smo se vsi nekako bolj kot ne vedeli drug za drugega. No. Jaz sem vedel, da Luka dela muziko že od nekdaj. Tako da,
Ja.
pol pa se je nekako to začelo. No.
To be honest, je full funny, zaradi tega, ker se vsi poznamo že full časa. Ampak tako čisto na random. Mi dva Simona smo hodila v osnovno šolo skupaj, ampak se nismo družila, like, samo vedela smo za en drugega. Mi dva z Denisom smo se spoznala like, v srednji šoli, pa smo pa like, začeli delati music pod like, fucking imenom Cela Amerika. Ampak istočasno smo tudi vedeli za Tilna, zaradi tega, ker he was doing his thing v srednji šoli za sebe.
Ja, kind of, ja.
In like, pol randomly
Smo se midva spoznala,
Ja.
pa smo začela midva muziko delati skupaj. In pol, pa to tudi po srednji šoli, pa smo vsi hodili celo na srednjo šolo. In pol nekako smo se našli vsi skupaj, da smo zdaj pač pol začeli.
Skejtanje. no.
Ja, basically, mi dva smo se
Ja,
skozi
ja,
skejtanje,
ja.
ti tudi for sure, type shit.
Taj shit.
Ja, tako čisto na random. Like, vsi smo se poznali since forever, ampak smo prišli skupaj like later on.
Počas.
Kdaj okvirno se je to zgodilo?
Pet
Vse
let
skupaj,
nazaj.
slabe 2 leti nazaj.
22 poleti sem prvič
Ja,
začel
ja,
nekaj
ja,
delati.
tak juli
Ja.
2022,
To za zdaj
glih dve
CTB
leti.
projekt, kao.
Ampak je bilo tako sam pač za zabavo, pač sem just for fun, pač napili smo se ga, pa sem rekel,
So basically si ni nič primerjal, it's still the same thing.
ja.
It's like nič resnega for real.
Pa ste vsi nekako izhajali iz istih žanrov, iz istih, kako bi rekla, tako, iste stvari so vam bile všeč, oziroma kako se je skupaj gradil vaš
Ja, pa
izraz,
ja,
ki ga
ja.
zdaj imate?
Jaz pa Luka smo že delali glasbo prej, tako da smo že imela nekak isti, pač
Yeah,
vse,
similar
to, isti
fucking
taste pa
thing.
vse pa to, tako da smo že delali neko isto stvar. Potem smo ta dva sta pa tudi nekaj svoje delali prej, pa je vse intertwinalo skupaj. Prato to, kar je zdaj, vse kar kul.
Ja.
Ne, pač radi imamo muziko, tako da. Muzika.
Povejte mi, na čem naprimer trenutno delate, kaj bi rekli, da zdaj tako odraža, kaj odraža vaš izraz trenutno?
As in like,
Kaj je najbolj prisotno in kaj bi želeli imeti kot svoj projekt?
Well, basically, I think da delamo muziko samo zaradi tega, ker je fajn.
Ja.
Pač ne vem, če imamo, like, I guess, da nas inspirira, kar se dogaja, like, v SoundCloud trapu zdajle. I guess, da se tudi lahko malo čuti, da, like, imamo radi, like, emo, pa, like, tudi, I guess, like, a bit of a punk attitude, ampak ne, mislim, samo attitude-wise.
Radi združujemo. Predvsem mi dva z Lukatom se mi zdi, da velik gledamo ameriško underground, pač glih na tem nivoju, kaj nam je smešen, pa kaj nam je pač fajn za poslušati, kot like, kako je lahko to naredil in pol replicirati nekaj na nek svoj način, nekaj pač trendy sounde, zato ker pač ne vem, zakaj pa ne malo probati.
Ampak ni nobene prav ideje za glasbo. Like, there's no tisto, like...
Kar pride.
Točno to je.
Pa to naredili.
Ja, pač like, it's like, dobimo se, pa je a great way to like hang out, pa da imaš neki fun to do.
No, v bistvu naš največji fan verjetno Luka, ko mu daš beat za 5 sekund, pa reče ne, ali pa ja v prvih 5 sekundah. Tako da v bistvu...
But it's just something to do.
Yeah. No, to je kind of understatement.
Ne, ampak it's fun, it's cool, like I love, like mislim, ne vem, če imamo like, like, mislim, it's just really cool to do music.
Ja.
Plani za poletje, kaj boste kaj delali, kaj boste, kje boste mogoče nekje špilali?
Jaz, ko napišem diplomo, ugasnem komp, izključim komp in bom sam zunaj celo poletje na sončku, da malo pigmenta nazaj dobim. Ker zgledam kot zombi, ne, zdaj za vas pa ne vem.
I don't know, like, glede muske, like, nimamo nič prav.
Če nas dohoče bukat,
full fine.
kamot.
For real, though, ne, a veš, kad smo super awkward and shit, in like, noben, like, ni tak tip človeka, da bi se actually deval ven, pa da bi, like, probal kaj najdit, like, moramo se navaditi actually pisati ljudem, če bi radi, like, z nami sodelovali za, like, koncerte, stvari. Ampak zaenkrat je vsem nam to ktuje, pa, like, sploh ne vemo, kako bi pristopil temu, tako da smo super thankful, da smo sploh dobili, like, the opportunity to do this, ker...
Hvala, radiš, ne.
Ja. Ker je bilo pač čisto na random, no. Pa še to, da smo se, like, kam smo se prijavili?
Klubski maraton.
Ja, še to, da smo se prijavili, nas je prijatelj prijavil. Pač nismo se sami. Čeprav smo si želeli, ampak pač...
Si nismo upali.
Exactly, pač nismo si fucking upali. Tako da, basically, I don't know, se navaditi, prositi ljudi, če lahko igramo z njimi. Ja, nimamo nobenih planov. I hope, da nas bodo povabo kam. Kar je precej slab plan. Poleg tega, just make music, have fun.
Ja.
Kaj pa vidva?
Jaz bom poleti bil čim več svojo punco in probal delati muziko naprej, na svojih projektih, kaj je delo, pa ja, to je to. Se probal čim več biti s svojimi kolegi tukaj, pa nadaljevati se tebe glasbo.
Super, evo, jaz hočem ful sreče v tem in v ustvarjanju in v nastopih in v karkoli si v bistvu želite. Zdaj pa bodo CTB tudi nastopili v našem studiu. Hvala, da ste poslušali in seveda uživajte v nastopu.
Fantasy, 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 fantasy. CTB.
Listen to the guy telling someone sorry. Someone telling IG, you let us a story. Sorry, look to see, and I'm so annoying.
You are now listening to a CTB exclusive. Fantasy.
Life is fucking boring. Listen to the guy telling someone sorry. Someone telling IG, you let us a story. Sorry, look to see, and I'm so annoying. Insecurities and good as like cozy. Even though that shit's sorry, there's no reason he's sorry. Someone was tonight, I won't use the much money. I'll be chillin' me like baby kiss your teeth, baby kiss your teeth. Say hello, no I'm not like come the fuck some da svoj phone. Sa tebe je ozakrog, hoćeš hangać sa mnom moć. Ti še več sam ne moš. Ti upariva v nos, če kaj rabiš, ne me pros. Ostam pari, ti si gost, jaz sem faded like a ghost. Let's go. Shouts out to Sean Kingston. Thank you. Thank you for letting us sample this song. Super cool of you. I'll fuck with you heavy. So turn up. She can't decide.
You are now listening to Sushi Beats Sleeper.
Två ord lights och sen kan det slå billig bli. Alla mest kuku biru bil. Expressivo in a Airbnb. Prazna alufolja, nothing if you win. Bill Branham easy. Smash Bros not telling easy. CDB, CDB, CDB. CDB, shit, vi ste bossy. Squads making noise, my brain when it chronic. Need a doctor, no drinks, smoking chronic. Green down, Africa, some fucking iconic. Para sneakers and spots gleam like a bomb. We making noise, so shit sound like a hum. Glitcha magi ta ta da ta da tam. Say as a man said, I fucking the charm. We see it, dicks no beat up, but she couldn't sink a charm. Running this shit called Kakara Khan. Dear house gang, yes, hang out with the dogs. Tom, spamano da mi tom. Nima ispitan iz naprkira čajni Sa mene nič nima smisla, mene briga, mene čisam za tebe. Če rečeš da si horny, da se stalo k tebe. Mua kako majko, da sam haja fazene. Nima ispitan iz naprkira čajni Sa mene nič nima smisla, mene briga, mene čisam za tebe. Če rečeš da si horny, da se stalo k tebe. Mua kako majko, da sam haja fazene. Dva ur lights, da sam kjer svo bitli bli.
Elucidated by fire, culture, burrow deep within me, retreating to a darkness.
Someone follow like the stars in their eyes, and my hand on your thigh. Lights on my neck, yeah, we do this every night. Fucking off facts, and I love it every time. Club in your mouth, and I told a bitch bye. No need for excuses, I can see the light. Every day's a party when I'm getting high. Crushing bitter pills in the back of the club. Might be still beside me, and she suck me up. 444, I got angels on the side. If you're tryna start shit, see you gon' slide. If you're tryna cap, we gon' work it every night. While you run your mouth, if you're too afraid to fight. No, 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 you don't know what we do. If you know, you know, then you know you never knew. Shout out all my day ones, shout out to the crew. Punk star shit, I don't bitch on my dick in the back of the club. Yeah, I do whatever, it's whatever, I don't care. Chiefing on this one cause they never wanna share. People all around me and I hate it when they stare. If they see me up, someone follow like a stars in their eyes. In my hand on your thighs, bites on my neck, yeah we do this every night. Fucking off X and I love it every time. Open your mouth and I tell a bitch bye. No need for excuses, I can see the lies. Every day's a party when I'm getting high. Crushing bitter pills in the back of the club. My bitch still beside me and she sucked me off. She sucked me off. She sucked me off. Romantično. Very like I didn't fuck with it.
Emo boys.
Love my girlfriend. Fire.
Fantasy. Emo boys.
Okay, fuck you.
Fantasy.
Oh, I'm fine. It's the dark in the fire. Some shit like a mama. Just love it saucy. Where's the money? Really small. Psycho. Oh, I'm fine. It's the dark in the fire. Some shit like a mama. Just love it saucy. Where's the money? Really small. Psycho. I see the love in your dream. I shoot on the piece of swamp. Flashing flame, man. The sound for the clips. I'm cool, every jeans. Shutting down, not in tears. I'm in the end of pure. I'm sorry to sing about it. It's cool now. Flop, play, flag, make my cause put me through cool. And I was there with I can't impatient. Passions, I compare. Could've found some shit, like a mama, wish I love it saucy, baby. My boys are really small, so cool. Oh, like I'm fine, it's the dark. Could've found some shit, like a mama, wish I love it saucy, baby. My boys are really small, so okay, psycho. Sam če te objamem, skoro nič več ne verjamem. verjamem, sem za tebe rekel amen. Moje sanje fucking tramen, moje misli skozi sprane, ja oprane vino bjanko. Mojemu nosu bjanko, mojemu žepu skanko. Prvi dan jih prepluknu, nisem si kupo še novih šuhov. Mala hodjo, si vam tako juho. All these carrots on my neck, I feel like Bruno. Zgubil del sebe, sam se nisem zbudil. Najce, sam sem se utrudil. Zdaj iščem se v drugem klubu. Zdaj iščem se v drugem poljubu.
Trying hard to muffle out the noise, but my face down, put it up my. Realize you always have a getting fucked up. Like I'm writing on a board. Is the writing on the walls? Is the whispers in the stalls? Is the shit that where you're from? Left or right, it doesn't really matter now. It's getting sadder now. What the hell to brag about? My reflections looking dumber. Yesterday was last summer. My reflections looking dumber. Yesterday was last summer.
Haven't seen you in a while, I see you through a screen. Shed it to the time when I had the chance. Bloodshot eyes, I'm so tired, need to sleep. I feel like my jeans prevent stress. It hasn't been the same since you left. It's not better, it's not worse, it just is. For better or for worse, I was upset. It's too soon, I can tell you how it is, yeah. It's too soon, I can tell you how it feels, yeah. I don't know what it is, yeah. I don't know what it is, yeah.
What's been going on? Put it in a song. Gotta hindsight, telling right from wrong. Where do I belong? Where do I belong? What's been going on? Put it in a song. Hindsight, telling right from wrong. Where do I belong? Where do I belong?
That shit was depressing.
Turn up.
That shit was sad. Bitch, I'm in a cut like it's Asian. Running to the money like it's urgent. I got a bag and bought a bag for my bitch, that's a Birkin. Like Rihanna, bitch, I wet like Birkin. Better watch your bitch, she be flirting. I'ma leave you with her, leave you hurting. Do stunts in her bed, no snowboarding, no burning. I ain't got shit to hide, but I can carry on. Carry on the plane, bring the carry on. Carry on, shorty told me we should carry on. Yeah, I'm off the boat, I carry on. You packed, you loud. Big spender, big wow.
Fantasy.
Call the plug, like what's up? Where's my bag?
You
What
are
the
now
fuck?
listening to a CTB exclusive.
You packed, you loud. Big spender, big wow. Call the plug, like what's up? I don't give a fuck, bitch. I'm rolling up to back and I don't block, bitch. I'ma stay at home and play Nintendo Switch. I'm a shitty beat, I can never switch. If you talking shit, I'ma bust your lip open. Fuck your bitch, I guess you gotta cope with it. And my ex said she hate me, okay, bitch, no tip. I'm on 4 different substances, I'm floating. Yeah, I'm fly. I got different color drugs you wanna try, yeah. Do shit like you lying. If you wanna try something, I ain't coming fight, I fuck with you so tough, homie. Shout out Kodak.
Hey, I'm thinking to the song,
Keep
a hot fuck with you so tough, homie? What did you say at this part right
Yeah,
now?
carry on the plane, bring the carry on. Shorty told me we should carry on, yeah, I'm off it, but I carry on.
Carry on the plane, bring the carry on. Hey, fuck you, man!
That's fair enough.
You are now listening to a CTP exclusive.
I just did a little kid cause I was at the song. Talking cap on my name, shit baloney. Shawty said I'm cute, now we bony. Bitch, I ain't this girl, really pony. I'm really counting digits like I'm Kanye. Bitches like beer, and I'm Kanye. Y'all life pretty sweet, I ain't Cody. I can't let him be annoying. I feel like the party cause it's boring. Bitch touching on my G's, but I'm not horny. And she went through my phone like, why you nosy? I got drugs in my nose like a nose ring. Really in the house like I'm Corey. Biggest house all alone, bitch, I'm lonely. Fat as blood, cannoli. I just did it with my kid cause I ain't got no Xanax. I just did it with my kid cause I ain't got no Xanax. Did it with my kid cause I ain't got no Xanax. Did it with my kid cause I ain't got no Xanax. The hype to depression type line.
Fantasy.
Čistil se tam, sem če bi me ti vzela. Odrezal bi si roko, če bi bila bolj ti vesela. Don't love, s tabo vsak dan. Watching stupid movies, ker je too much fun. Čistil se tam, sem če bi me ti vzela. Odrezal bi si roko, če bi bila bolj ti vesela. Don't love, s tabo vsak dan. Watching stupid movies, cause it's too much fun. Cel dan se sam sprehajam, se spotikam, oviram, izmikam. Blodim po temnem gozdu, se me pika. Dokler ne pride do tvoj objav in tam najdem se. Čistil se tam, sem če bi me ti vzela. Odrezal bi si roko, če bi bila bolj ti vesela. Dala vlast na vsak dan. Watching stupid movies, cause it's too much fun. Čistil se tam, sem če bi me ti vzela. Odrezal bi si roko, če bi bila bolj ti vesela. Dala vlast na vsak dan. Watching stupid movies, cause it's too much fun.
Thank you.
Kaj bi dal, da ne bi imel 100 težav, da lahko bi zadržal to, kar sem postal. Sam se bi lagal. When we met, bil sem gone, bil neviden, bil prozorn. Te ko gledaš, čutil les, tek da tempo sem ti res. Sam zdaj cajt je, da grem, dam še titan odkrem. Ni problem, da ni zadost, ni problem, da nismi kos. Problem je, da si čist too much. Proklik, prehit, prišla si sem. Problem je, da si too good, zato pa tok, da te je pustit tu. Te pustit tu. Zato pa tok, da te je pustit tu.
Some here, some on, see life, this you lost, probably talk, rok sam nimam dost, mogar kod zavi lost, tvoja pleva da mi to, pa to kjece diku kon, I sam we diku cross.
You are now listening to a CTB exclusive.
I guess we're soulmates.
I guess we are. You can hear my line, baby, I'm out of time, baby. I'm past your own, feeling lost in this world, baby. You can be my girl, baby, you can be my everything. I've been feeling down for a while, for a minute, baby. I don't want no enemies, lovers drinking Hennessy. In the parking lot, got a lot of adrenaline. Can you hold my hand again? Can you make it right again? I know I'm a fucker, but this habit sadly never ends. I've been collecting dust, feeling my head what's up. Think that you can, you know, break you in half like a Zen boy. I lost my third like last night. I feel like I met you in my past life. You'll be home soon, I'll be alright. When I see your smile, I'll be just fine. I lost my pride too last night. I feel like I met you in my past life. Is this all a dream? Boy, when I see your smile, I feel just fine. I Kingpin got like 2 lives. Lay in my pocket and I feel it taken before the night lights. Special K in my pocket, you wanna get lost. I got drugs in my wallet and I'm gonna tell you what they are. Bitch, I'm geek. Bitch, I'm geek. Bitch, I'm geek. You see I'm geek. You see my eyes and love. You see my vibe. I'm moving slow.
Xanax basically just makes you feel good.
Bitch, I'm hot. Bitch, I'm hot. You can't. Bitch, I'm higher than God. I'm really higher than most. For a lot of drink. I done say that. I done say that. I done say that shit. I done drink that shit, bitch. We sippin' champagne. I'm tired tonight. All my friends are outside tonight. Got a little Tracy, I'm a vampire in the moonlight. Count money, yeah, count money, yeah. 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 Count money, yeah.
Cool, is aber schon aus einem Komal?
Thank fucking Jesus Christ.
Shout out, shout out us na gafa sa remix der Komada.
I am killing myself after this.
Fuck my life 3 milligram på 20 nisam high Škica na rafi, bašim će alright Smana cijel dan, pa smana all night Oh my god, kam si šla Punca mojih san, zloma srca rekla bye Oh my god, kje si Vrnit se nazaj, kada štabe mene nije
Sam se mi ni čas, pa bom tam karkoli hoćeš se radiš, broj sad i fucking down Ti me samo križu, zmišljam radila i sad dan Tuko gre spat si da star moj san Reste malo rade, ja mi nisam sam pjan To droga u nosu, kihom nisam prehlan To droga u želocu, koja nisam normalna Nisam normalna, prosim da mi ić stran
Moram zaspat cijelo noć sam u zoni Kličem nazaj ko sam tam in last morning Sve me boli tak da prosim ne bluzit Grabim no plug, ker prejšen je učuzi
Shout out Disney Channel though.
Shout out Disney Channel, I need to leave.
Shout out in Zendaya, lega.
Oh yeah, look cool.
Hola. Vibe. Shout out.
Pričevanja ostarelega sukača plošč.
Ja, kuk je to lepo, ko vidim punkse na partih.
After Party. Termin za neukrotljiva ušesa in neustavljiva telesa. Yeah!